Okay, no power applied. Powering up now. With that loud buzz at the back. Sounds mechanical. Very mechanical. Switch it off. It seems to reduce the sound of the buzzing noise. As you can see, still not quite working correctly. And now in local mode, things are not working correctly anymore. Sound is definitely coming from around here. I better switch it off.